Which of these signs indicates no U-turn?
Which sign shows the end of the 20-mile-per-hour zone? Which sign represents the maximum speed limit? How is the national speed limit indicated on road signs? Which sign warns of a school crossing patrol ahead? Which sign instructs drivers to stop and give way? Which sign indicates that you must give priority to traffic on major roads?
Which sign indicates no entry for vehicular traffic? Which sign represents no cycling? How do you identify a no motor vehicle sign? How do you identify a no overtaking sign? Which sign indicates no entry for vehicles exceeding the height limit? How do you identify a no right turn sign? Which sign indicates no left turn? What sign represents waiting is not allowed? How do you identify a no stopping sign? How is straight ahead restriction shown on road signs? Which sign directs vehicles to turn left ahead? Which sign indicates keep to the left? How do you identify a pass either side sign? How is a mini roundabout shown on road signs? Which sign marks a combined walking and cycling path? Which sign enforces a minimum speed requirement? Which sign marks the end of enforced minimum speed? How is a bus and cycle-only route shown on road signs? Which sign indicates trams only? Which sign designates a with-flow bus and cycle lane? Which sign designates a contraflow bus lane? What sign represents the transition from a dual to a single carriageway? How do you identify a road narrows on the right sign? Which sign indicates that the road narrows on both sides? Which sign indicates a crossroads? How do you identify a T-junction sign? Which sign indicates a staggered junction? How do you identify a double bend ahead sign? What sign warns drivers of an upcoming roundabout?